Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy Watch 7. It's faster and smarter than its predecessor and boasts twice the storage. Like the Watch 6, the Galaxy Watch 7 is available in 40 and 44mm sizes, both of which feature full-colour, always-on, Super AMOLED touchscreen displays. The larger model has a slightly higher resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, while the 40mm model utilises a 432 by 432 display. The Galaxy Watch 7 is powered by the brand new 5-core Exynos W1000 chip, the first semiconductor of its kind to utilise a 3nm process. Samsung says it's 3 times faster than its predecessor and offers more seamless interaction with the watch's Wear OS 5 interface. Both sizes are available as Bluetooth or LTE variants and offer 32GB of internal storage, an upgrade over the 16GB offered with last year's Watch 6. As you'd expect of a smart wearable designed for tracking your well-being, the Galaxy Watch 7 is crammed full of sensors. Samsung's bioactive sensor is effectively 3 sensors in one, covering an optical biosignal sensor, electrical heart signal, and bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor. There's also a temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, and a light sensor. The watch's GPS is said to be more precise this time around too. All of this enables the watch to take readings of your heart rate, blood oxygen level, body composition, and a whole lot more to provide insight into how well you sleep, your general health, and your fitness while exercising. More pleasing still is that Samsung hasn't raised the price. All 4 models available at launch cost the same as the Galaxy Watch 6 did when it was released last year, starting at £289 for the 40mm Bluetooth model, running all the way up to £369 for the 44mm LTE model. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in this watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest smartphones, laptops, and more.